to teach the second, fourth, and as well as the in 6 semesters. We don't know each other. In the first semester, I was not available because you don't have the sociology subject. So that's why we met in this online group. So today we're going to introduce each other. We're going to interact with each other. Okay, otherwise I don't know who you are because I don't know your names and your faces, nothing. Due to COVID, we are unable to meet with each other. Okay, so I will call you one by one with names. Please introduce yourselves and please tell me your backgrounds. So if you know your backgrounds, then I can able to teach you in that way. Okay, people think that sociology is one subject. That's it is studying about society itself. Nothing is there, but it is a very vast subject. Without sociology, you cannot deal with law. Remember that thing. Okay, I will call you upon your names. Okay, please tell me yourselves. First, that Allu Arun. Please mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Show me your face once, so I can recognize you. Okay, fine. What's your background?
Ma'am?
Your background means from which stream you came.
MPC, ma'am. MPC student.
MPC. Why you took law?
Ma'am?
Why you took law? Why you choose this law subject?
Normally, ma'am, interest, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next, Gayatri.
Ma'am, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Okay, please show me your face. So let me know who people you are. Okay, fine. From which stream you came?
Ma'am, Inter MPC.
Fine. Next, Bhagyashree. Yeah. MPC, ma'am. Okay, fine. Then Devendra.
MPC, ma'am.
MPC. You are from MPC.
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
fine. You all are from intermediate itself only, not any other streams. Next, Chandini. Okay, fine. Chandini. MPC, ma'am. Show me your face once. Good. Next, Pramodini. Inter PEC, ma'am. Oh, good. Next, Dharmika. MPC, ma'am. Haripriya.
Yes, ma'am. MPC, ma'am.
You are from MPC. All are from Vizag itself or from any other places? How many people are not belongs to Vizag? Ma'am, I'm Haripriya. Ma'am, I'm from Delhi, ma'am. Delhi, ma'am. Okay, fine. Any people regarding from Telugu medium? Yes. How many people are there? How many people are there? Please tell me. So I have to adjust myself in that way. One Lakshmi search. Only one person from Telugu medium. All are remaining from Anuradha. Okay. Okay, remaining people are English medium. You are comfort with English. Okay. Then Harshita, ma'am. Harshita, okay, fine. Yes, ma'am. Okay, fine. Next, Jayant.
MPC.
Fine. Joshna. MPC, ma'am. Okay. Jyotirmay. MPC, ma'am. Fine. Aruna. CEC, ma'am. Good. 2% CEC. Lakshmi Reddy. afternoon, ma'am. Very good afternoon. You're basically from Telugu medium, okay? నువ్వు తెలుగు మీడియం నుంచి వచ్చావు కదా?
Yes, madam. Housewife, madam.
ఏంటమ్మా?
I am housewife, madam.
హౌస్ వైఫ్, నో ప్రాబ్లం, నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్. ఇంగ్లీష్ ఏం పెద్ద విషయం ఏం కాదు. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఎవరికి ఇంగ్లీష్ రాదు. నాకు తెలిసినంత వరకు పేరుకే ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్స్. ఎలా ఉంటదంటే ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్స్ వాటరే హౌరే వైరే అవే ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్స్. అంతకు మించి ఏమీ రాదు. అందరూ ఇంగ్లీష్ వచ్చని ఎవరు మాత్రం ఫీల్ అవ్వకండి. ఎందుకంటే నేను ఇంగ్లీష్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ స్కూల్స్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమీ ఎవరికి రాదు, ఒక స్టేజ్ వచ్చినంత వరకు. ఓకే,
I
నెక్స్ట్.
am from Rajman, madam.
ఓకే, ఫైన్, గుడ్. లిఖిత, are you there?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon.
MEC, ma'am.
MEC girls. One person is from MEC. Next, Madhu.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
MPC, madam.
MPC girls. Madhu. Who is this Madhu?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon.
CEC, ma'am.
Very good. Then Bala Saujanya.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon.
MPC, ma'am.
Okay, good. Then Nandini.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon.
Inter CEC, ma'am.
Very good. You're all from inter background itself. Pallavi. Who is this Pallavi?
BPC, ma'am.
Very good. Then Pranavi.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am from HECOM.
Pardon?
HECOM, ma'am. History, Economics and Commerce.
Okay, HEC. Okay, fine. Different stream. Next, Anuradha.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. You're basically from Telugu medium, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
MPC.
Okay, good. Then Renuka.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I am from MPC, ma'am.
Okay, good. Next, Renushree.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
BPC, ma'am.
Okay. Sachin.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm from MEC, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next, Snehita.
I am from MPC, ma'am.
Okay. Then Sanjay.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm from MPC.
Good. Next, Sheikh. Name? Sheikh.
Yes, ma'am. Sheikh Dawlat Unisha. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm from
Very good
MPC.
afternoon. Okay. Next, Shyam Kumar.
Good afternoon, madam. I'm from MPC, madam.
Okay. Shiva Kumar.
Yeah, good afternoon, ma'am. I am from Diploma in Electrical and Electronics and ma'am.
See, I'm not getting your voice clearly. Please say it again.
Madam, I have done my Diploma in Electrical and Electronics.
Okay. You are doing any job?
Yeah, I am a businessman.
Okay, fine. Then Shravani.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
From CEC, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Srinivas.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Mano Hasani. I am from BPC.
Okay. Sriram.
Good afternoon, ma'am. MPC.
Okay. Sushma.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am from HEC, ma'am.
Oh, two people are from HEC. Next is Swarupa. She is there, Swarupa.
There, madam, there.
You kept a girl name and your voice is something else.
Girl name not, madam.
Okay. Next, how many people? Sushma, Swarupa. Next,
Excuse me, madam.
yeah.
Ma'am, due to some technical issue, I can't talk. Myself, I'm Swarupa, madam. I'm from CEC.
Okay, okay. Next,
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Vasavi. I'm from. Hello?
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, myself, Vasavi, ma'am. I'm from MPC.
Okay, fine. Sweetie, name is getting. Sweetie, who is this sweetie?
Ma'am, myself, Sagarika, ma'am. I'm from MPC.
Okay, Triveni. Okay. Next, Victor.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am from CEC and I am from Vizianagaram.
Oh, good. Next, Swati Prasanna.
Good afternoon, ma'am. MPC Telugu medium, ma'am.
No problem. Don't worry. And Vidya.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm from CEC.
Okay. Next, Anurag.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm from CBC.
Oh, good. These people are agenda for today's class. See, tell me.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Aisha Siddhika, sir.
Okay, I didn't get your name here. Okay, fine. You're from?
Ma'am, you didn't call my name.
You said no before, Vasavi?
No, ma'am.
No?
We are both, ma'am. So, she's another girl, I'm another.
Oh, there are two Vasavis in our class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Tell me yourself.
Ma'am, myself, Fasli, ma'am. I'm from MPC and Vizianagaram, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Two people are from Vijayanagaram, some are from Rajahmundry and some are... Okay, maximum people are belongs to MPC stream and maximum people are from English medium. But I don't know how far you understand the words which were coming in our subject. Okay, and one more thing. Yeah,
Myself, Niharika. I'm from MEC.
okay. Good. You're from Visakhapatnam itself only?
Visakhapatnam, ma'am.
Okay. Then anyone else?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Syed Aisha Siddhika. I am from FGM.
Okay. Okay. So, for today, tell me that what do you mean by sociology? What do you know about sociology? Anyone knows that what is sociology?
It talks about the behavior of people in among people, like in groups.
Okay. Study of society. Okay. Anyone else? Please talk freely. If the subject is with interaction between us, without interaction, we can't teach this subject and you can't understand this subject. See, that lie is completely different from this subject. Okay, we have to interact with each other. Otherwise, we don't know what is sociology. So please, you have to express your views and ideas. See, no one is better than someone else. Okay, everyone created something. That creation only we are studying something. Nothing is. See, you are a very intelligent people. The generation is changing. The intelligence is also changing. So that's why I'm saying, see, keep on your ideas and please tell me your views and opinions on the subject. Okay. ప్రతి ఒక్కరు మాట్లాడండి నా క్లాస్ లోని. డోంట్ ఫీల్ ఫియర్. ఏది చెప్పినా ఓకే, ఏది చెప్పినా రిలేటెడ్ టు సోషాలజీ. నేను అదైతే క్లియర్ గా చెప్తాను. ఎందుకు అని అంటే మనం చదివేది, మనం మార్నింగ్ ఎవ్రీ డే ఫ్రమ్ వేకప్, మనం ఉదయం లేచిన దగ్గర నుంచి రాత్రి నిద్రపోయే వరకు ప్రతి ఆస్పెక్ట్ ఇట్ వాస్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్ విత్ అవర్ ఫ్యామిలీ, విత్ అవర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద పీపుల్ హూ ఆర్ సరౌండింగ్ with us and with the society, so that all aspects are nothing but that comes into the sociology itself. Actually, the sociology was studying about society. Sociology was studying about society. In society, how the people are there, how they are behaving, and the values, beliefs, culture, semester. Okay. See, మనకి ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పినవన్నీ మాకు బాగా తెలుసు అన్నీ తెలుసు అనిపిస్తుంది బట్ when you are studying or when I am saying the things that you feel that it is very near to us or నాకు ఇది తెలుసు నేను ఇది చేయగలను రాయగలను నేను చదవకపోయినా పర్వాలేదు అన్న ఫీలింగ్ వస్తుంది కానీ when you close your book you don't know nothing. I can clearly say it. Okay. See, the sociology subject was started at the time of 1830s. At the time of 1830. Some people used to say it was started in 1836, 1837. The different people having different perceptions about the sociology and the years are also in controversy. We can't mention because some books used to say the sociology subject is derived in 1836. Some people used to say the subject is derived in 1837. So I won't say all those years. Thus, you have to mention only the sociology was derived at the time of 1830s. Why the sociology subject was derived or why it was shown to the people means there was a story. See, do you know about the Industrial Revolution? How many people know about the Industrial Revolution? I think that MPC students, they don't know about the Industrial Revolution, right? Have you studied in school days the Industrial Revolution? No. HEC people maybe know about Industrial Revolution or don't know because colleges, intermediate colleges and the 10th class schools, what they used to do, they always bother about the percentages, not about the subject and the topics. I know very well, till morning from 7 to night, 9 or 10, they used to do whatever they want. See, they want only percentages, not about the subject. So that's the problem. You don't know about see what you studied till now, you don't know. I can clearly say that till now what you studied in your school days or in your college and in the intermediate, you don't know. Just you bothered about your marks. See, I'm getting a 70%, 80%, 90% or 100%. You're bothering that thing only. But from this stage onwards, you started the real things. You started learning the real things. See how the society will be. They see how the friends stream will be also different. They are from the different streams. See each and every people in our class, they are from the different streams and also different backgrounds, different cultures. You are mingling with each other. Okay, if the if not in online, if it is offline classes means it will be better for us because we can interact with each other. We will enjoy the college days. If this online classes, we can't enjoy the college days. How will we enjoy the college days? We'll sit in our rooms and we'll own the system. That's it. We'll listen what they used to say. We don't know how to question. See, first of all, you remember one thing. You have to question yourself and question the teacher. Otherwise, you won't get anything. First of all, you have to question yourself and as well as the teacher who teaches you whatever the subject. Otherwise, you don't remember anything and you don't know anything. If you raise the questions, you will come to know what is the subject. Whatever it may be. It may be a formula, it may be a contracts, whatever the subject it may be. You will get the subject. First of all, don't bother about the marks. If you learn the subject, automatically marks will be gain you. If you have the subject only, you can only gain in our society. In future, see, the 5 years will be completed. Next, what you will do? I know what is happening in our colleges. That is nothing. What you learned, that is the important. So that's why don't bother about any subject. So sorry, any marks. You have to bother always the subject and the topic. Always raise the questions yourself and the teacher and whatever it may be. And raise the questions to your family members and to your related members and to the society. Then only you come to know what is right and what is wrong. Otherwise, you will only sting into that in a box. You won't come out of the box. When you raise up the questions, you will come to know what is the reality. So in that way only the sociology subject was raised. See, at the time of 1800s, what was happening? happened? Industrial revolution. Industrial revolution means, see, the technology was developed. అంటే మనకి మిషన్స్ ప్రారంభమైన దశని మిషన్స్ ఎప్పుడైతే స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాయో apart from the manpower, the missions going to work in that place, that is the industrial revolution. అంటే ఇంతవరకు ఇండస్ట్రియల్ రెవల్యూషన్ రాకముందు వరకు ఏం జరిగిందంటే మ్యానే వర్క్ చేసేవాడు, మ్యాన్ పవరే ఉండేది. కానీ ఆఫ్టర్ గెటింగ్ ద ఇండస్ట్రీస్ వాట్ వాస్ హ్యాపెన్, ఎట్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ 100 men, one mission is working. At the place of 100 men, I'm saying example, at the place of 100 men, one mission is working. Okay, so that is the industrial revolution. In that time, why the socialism was emerged? Because there were so many conflicts, controversies, and so many disturbances in the society. See, what happened clearly means, ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఒక ఉపాధి ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఉన్నారు అనుకోండి, సపోజ్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు వర్క్ సంథింగ్ ఫర్ ఎర్నింగ్. ఎందుకు అంతవరకు ఏమో మనకు కోవిడ్ వచ్చింది, కోవిడ్ వచ్చాక మన పరిస్థితులు ఏమయ్యాయి? హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్ లాస్ దేర్ ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్, హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్ లాస్ దేర్ మినిమమ్ నీడ్స్, minimum require like food, shelter, and all these health facilities, all these things, they lost their facilities. What happened? See, so many people committed suicide due to COVID. They are, if not getting the COVID, they are committed suicides. Why means, if they get COVID means what was going to happen? See, that psychological disturbance was arised in the people of the society. At the time of industrial revolution, how in the time of COVID, the psychological disturbance, see, we are all suffered, we sat at one place itself, nothing, that means we are unable to go somewhere else, or we are unable to go for recreation, all these things we are unable to do. Okay, in that way, what was happening always, we used to chit chat in the mobiles or laptops or watching TVs. That's it only. What was happening? Our psychological disturbance was getting. Right or not? We are disturbed a lot because sitting at one place for so many days means it's impossible to a human being, because we used to roam and there. See, in this generation, the people are not living at home at least one day. They used to go somewhere else. They used to move with friends there, or they used to move to movies or for entertainments. So we sat at one place since last year onwards. In the meanwhile, we got some relief from Jan to that April. Again, we started to sit at homes. See, what was happening to our psychological, our minds? We are unable to bear all these things. See, like that only, at the time of industrial revolution, what was happened when the industries was introduced, that people got psychological disturbance. Why? Because means they don't get the employment. Okay. See, that 100 people have lost their employment because of one mission. How sad it is. And they don't get the minimum needs. How they used to get their families. How they used to get themselves. All these things come to in a place, and the conflicts were raised. So, at that time, the people gone to study about the society. So how the people are behaving, why they are behaving, and what are their backgrounds, and what are their values, and what are their beliefs, and what is their culture. Each and everything they have to study to want to make a society into a peaceful. So in that time, the sociology subject was derived, and at the time of 1830s in Europe. Okay, in Europe. Later, it was slightly developed, and we're going to study from one part to each part. What is the syllabus in our sociology part 1? Do you have anyone having the syllabus? No?
Yes.
Say one people who is having syllabus. Renu,
ma'am. Unit 1, nature, definition and scope of sociology.
Okay.
And Unit 2, sociology and law, sociology and economics, sociology and political science, sociology and history. Whereas Unit 3, social status and roles, meaning of status, status in society, determination of status, concept of role, definition of role, conformity divine, coherence of role. And Unit 4, social group, classification of group, chief characteristics of group, right, and importance of primary group, secondary group, clan, trib, caste, and tribe, social stratification, nature and type, critical appraisal of caste, critical appraisal of class, concept of social justice, constitutional aspirations, preamble, different acts aimed at social justice.
Okay.
Unit 5, social institutions, family, characteristics, type, functions of family, changes in modern family, disorganization of family, modern families and their problems, marriage, types of marriages, polygamy and polyandry, bigamy, etc., and family relations law.
Okay.
Unit 6, other social institutions, economic institutions, political institutions, religious institutions, and educational institutions.
Okay.
Unit 7, social organization and disorganization, organization and disorganization of as a process, characteristics of disorganization, distinction between social organization and disorganization, causes of social disorganization.
Okay.
Unit 8, problems and status of SCS, STS, BCS and minorities and the legal bigamy. Unit 9, problems and status of women, children in the legal control. That's it.
You're having overall 9 units. Okay, it's a very vast syllabus. Tomorrow onwards, what we're going to do, you keep our notes for sociology. I will give you the notes simultaneously along with the explaining of the subject. Please remember, what I am giving the notes, that is not only useful for this semester exam, but also in the competitive exams. After finishing the 5 years law, you have to write some competitive exams for the judge or for the groups or some other, whatever you want. In that, the sociology, the questions rising from sociology or from 10 to 12 questions are rising. What I see in the papers, previous papers. So please remember, all the people who are studying law, they won't go into the stream of law. I know, because some will go into some other streams. Okay. Due to that, please remember, what you are studying, don't study about not only for the semester exams, but also concentrate on the competitive exams, because the competition was very much raised. Along with you, see how the competition means. Along with you, your juniors will going to be a time, and also the seniors. Still, what is your age? I think you are around 19, 20 years. Maximum people are like that only. So from up to 35 years, you will be the competitors. Under 15 years, final meet the competitors untar. So when you have to beat them, you have to study from onwards on the competition. Okay. See, please remember, while studying with this semester exams, please concentrate on the competitive exams also. Don't study about that. Please gather the material. If you want to gather the material, it will take 2 years for any competitive exams. Some people have an idea go for civil services. If you want to go for civil services, means you have to gather the material, lots of material, and you have to read daily. Then only you can get it. That district judge exams also, that was very tough. Last time they written that people who are about 30 years, the people are written that second paper they don't know. So half of the people are left the exam. More than half of the people. See how much tough it is.
Yes, madam.
so many people you know it. Okay, please concentrate on that. Gather that material. If you gather from this time onwards, you can able to easy to write the exams. See, so many people used to say, I learned only within 1 year I got that examination. That's a fate. See, that they are getting means they are struggling from since school days onwards. So please remember that. Please try to learn from this stage onwards. Otherwise, you won't get anything because there is no employment. We are all suffering for the employment. That we are all educated, but what we are doing? Nothing. Nothing we are doing. See, in the COVID time, the people who are teachers and all these people, what they used to do, they go for the daily wages work. See, that's a very bad thing. We are educated, but we are going for that thing. See, that's what I'm saying. I'm always used to say each and every year people this thing only. Please study from this time on. And I'm not saying don't enjoy. Please enjoy yourself. This is the age of enjoyment too. And this is the age of enjoyment too, and this is the age of to study also. You have to make friends. You have to move with friends. Otherwise, you don't know. You're nothing with your life. When you turn into your life after 10 years, what is there means nothing if you won't enjoy in your college days. After opening your colleges, please come to your colleges without neglecting like your seniors. If you neglect your college, you will lost your life. See, these joyful days never used to come in our life again. This 5 years, you're studying 5 years law means 5 years, very joyful days, and you used to learn so many things. Not only from people, from our friends, from the college, from the college people, you learn so many things. That will make you a better person. Please enjoy yourself and please study yourself. Don't neglect yourself with the enjoyments. I'm saying these two things. Okay, remember always the study will be important along with the enjoyment. Don't neglect a study by taking only enjoyment, or don't neglect the enjoyment by bothering about the study. Okay, you have to balance these two things means you will be very good. మనకి కొన్ని విషయాలు చూడండి, కొన్ని విషయాలు మూవీస్ చూస్తే తెలుస్తాయి, లేదా కొన్ని విషయాలు బయట తిరిగితే తెలుస్తాయి.
హ్యాపీ డేస్ మేడం, హ్యాపీ డేస్.
హ్యాపీ డేస్ బాగా చూసినట్టున్నా, బాగా ఫాలో అయినట్టున్నా. హ్యాపీ డేస్ ఇట్స్ రైట్. అది లైఫ్ లో మనకి కొన్ని విషయాలు బుక్స్ ద్వారా ఏమి తెలియదు. మన బుక్స్ ద్వారా మనం బుక్ లో చదివేది ఒకటి, మనం రాసేది ఒకటి, మనం జీవించేది ఒకటి. దట్స్ క్వైట్ డిఫరెంట్. మనం ఏం చదువుతున్నామో అలా మనము మన లైఫ్ ని జీవించలేం, ఉండలేం మనం అలాగా. What you are studying, suppose you are studying law, when finishing law, if you get that one, okay, it's well and good. If you not get that thing, means you have to choose some other stream. No, you can't keep quiet like this. No. See, for girls and boys, I'm saying both of you both are very important. అమ్మాయిలు అయితే మేము పెళ్లి చేసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు, పర్లేదు అని ఎవరు అనుకోకండి. పెళ్లి చేసుకున్నా సరే మన కాళ్ళ మీద మనం నిలబడితేనే, ఎందుకంటే ఏ రోజు ఎలా ఉంటుందో మన పరిస్థితి మనకు తెలియదు. అందులోకి ఇప్పుడు చదువుకున్న పిల్లలందరికీ చాలా ఈగోస్ బాగా ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి. టూ మచ్ ఆఫ్ ఈగోస్. I have seen that. See, so many that the divorce cases. You are the last students, no? You know about the divorce cases? Who the people are divorced people? Who people are coming to the family courts? Tell me, what type of people are coming to the family courts? Is there any uneducated people coming to family courts to take divorce? No, not at all. If they come means there were very 1% people are used to come who are uneducated for divorce, but the maximum people are divorced people are educated people only. They are well educated people only because of the egos. ఎందుకంటే నేను బాగా చదువుకున్నాను, నేను బాగా సంపాదిస్తున్నాను, ఒక సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఉన్నాడు, ఆ అమ్మాయికి 1 లక్ష 2 లక్షన్నర వస్తుంది, వీడికి 1 లక్ష 1.5 లక్ష వస్తుంది. ఏమవుతుంది అక్కడ? ఈగోస్ అన్నది ఫామ్ అయిపోతుంది. నేను వెళ్ళాలి. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ గుడ్ థింగ్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు బ్యాలెన్స్ బోత్ ఆఫ్ యూ. అలాగే అబ్బాయిలు కూడా చదవకపోతే రేపు పొద్దున్న పిల్లలు ఎవరు ఇవ్వరు. అది మాత్రం గుర్తుంచుకొని చదువుకోండి. వినిపిస్తుందా? అమ్మాయిలు ఇక్కడతో అయిపోద్ది అనుకోకండి. See, after the 5 years, your real life going to start. So you have to give a platform from this time onwards only. If you form a platform from this time, you can able to get into your lives as a good thing. Please remember, see, సోషల్ తీసుకుంది ఇన్ని విషయాలు ఇలాగా ఊరికే మాట్లాడిన స్టోరీ నేను చెప్పేదంతా రిలేటెడ్ టు సబ్జెక్ట్ తోనే. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, మై సబ్జెక్ట్ ఈస్ టు గెట్ అవేర్నెస్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్. ఓకే, మిమ్మల్ని అవేర్నెస్ తీసుకురాగలిగితేనే మీరు ఫర్దర్ గా ఎలాగైనా క్విక్ గా ఇది అవ్వగలరు. లేదు అంటే నేను ఏం చెప్పినా దండగే. అందరూ చెప్తారు ఏముంది, నేను ఇప్పుడు గబగబా ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ చెప్పి టాపిక్ చెప్పేసి ఇది చెప్పేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. పెద్ద విషయం కాదు. అన్ని విషయాలు మాట్లాడాల్సిన అవసరం ఏం లేదు. అలా చెప్తే 2 నెలల్లో మీ సిలబస్ నేను కంప్లీట్ చేసి పక్కన పడేస్తాను. అది కాదు, మనకి మెయిన్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే మనం కాలేజీలోని స్కూల్లోని ఎందుకు వస్తాము అని అంటే మిగిలిన విషయాలు నేర్చుకోవడానికి. ఇప్పుడు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లోనే చదువుకోవడానికి, నోట్స్ లోనే చదువుకోవడం మన ఇంట్లో నుంచి చదివించుకోవచ్చు. కాబట్టి చెప్పక్కర్లేదు మనకి. ఆ టైంకి ఎగ్జామ్కి వెళ్ళి ఏం రాసినా పాస్ చేసేస్తున్నారు. అవునా కదా?
Yes, madam.
అలాగే ఉంది ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, రిమెంబర్ వైల్ రైటింగ్ యువర్ సోషియాలజీ పేపర్, ఐ యామ్ ద ఎగ్జామినర్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ పేపర్ ఫర్ యువర్ మెయిన్ సెమిస్టర్స్. ఓకే,
Nice, madam.
మీరు మెయిన్ గా ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాస్తారు కదా, దాని ఎగ్జామినర్ నేనే. మీ పేపర్స్ కరెక్షన్ చేసేది నేనే. ఫైనల్ సెమిస్టర్ మార్క్స్ వేసేది నేనే. సో రిమెంబర్, ప్లీజ్ కమ్ టు మై క్లాస్ రెగ్యులర్లీ. ఇఫ్ యూ won't come to my class, you won't nothing. అంటే మధ్యలో బ్రేక్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, మీకు బ్రేక్ గానే ఉండిపోతుంది. నా క్లాస్ చాలా కంటిన్యూషన్ గా ఉంటది. ప్రతిదీ నా ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏంటంటే ఒకదాంతో ఒక లింక్. ఆ లింక్ సిస్టమ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఎవ్రీ క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అవ్వాలి. నేను రోజు మీ అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకుంటాను. నేను ఐ విల్ నోట్ ఇట్ డౌన్ యువర్ అటెండెన్స్, how many people are coming and how many people are regularly attending the classes. I will give that final exams also I have to give in the marks, and for your mid exams అన్ని ఎగ్జామ్స్ మార్క్స్ నేనే ఇవ్వాలి. నా సబ్జెక్ట్ మాత్రం, అది మాత్రం గుర్తుంచుకోండి. మిగిలిన సబ్జెక్ట్స్ కాదు, నా సబ్జెక్ట్ గురించి చెప్తున్నాను. ఎస్పెషల్లీ మిడ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్, సెమిస్టర్ మార్క్స్ అన్ని నేనే ఇవ్వాలి మీకు. అది గుర్తుంచుకొని మీరు క్లాసెస్ అవి అటెండ్ అవ్వండి. సో టుమారో ఆన్వర్డ్స్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ ద రియల్ క్లాస్. ఓకే, see you tomorrow at the same time, 2 o'clock. Please prepare with your notes.
Thank you, madam.
Yeah, we can have to buy any books for sociology, madam.
No need for my subject, no need. Just follow my class. That is more than enough. Each and everything I used to say. So you can inquire your seniors. For my subject, see, I know so many classes they won't attend. For my subject, they used to come to college for that only. So please remember, follow my notes. And that's why I'm saying, please prepare with notes. Tomorrow onwards, keep a notes, sociology, okay? And write down what I am saying from starting to end. That will be enough. And these notes will be useful not only for your semesters and also for the competitive exams. Like that you remember, and like that note down the notes. Okay?
Okay,
See you.